Hey there, food lovers. Today, let's dive into the fascinating and flavorful world of biryani. This dish, deeply entrenched in the culinary history of the Indian subcontinent, is as rich in history as it is in spices. Biryani's origins are somewhat mysterious, but most accounts trace it back to the Mughal era, somewhere between the 16th and 18th centuries. The word biryani itself comes from the Persian words birinja, meaning rice, and biryan, meaning to fry or roast. Persian travelers are believed to have introduced this dish to the Indian subcontinent, where it found its true calling. The Mughals, known for their opulent feasts, refined biryani in their royal kitchens. It quickly became a favorite, celebrated for its aromatic rice, tender meat, and complex layers of flavor. As biryani traveled across the subcontinent, it evolved into various regional versions, each with its own unique twist. Let's explore some of these delightful variations. First up, Hyderabadi biryani from Hyderabad, India. Known for its bold flavors, this version uses basmati rice, goat meat, and an intricate blend of spices. It's often cooked using the dum method, sealing the pot with dough and slow cooking it for a rich, deep flavor. Next, we have Lucknowi, or Awadhi biryani from Lucknow. This one is more delicate and aromatic, with a different spice blend. Here, the meat and rice are cooked separately and then carefully layered together. Kolkata biryani, hailing from Kolkata, is influenced by Awadhi cuisine, but is lighter on the spices. It's unique for incorporating potatoes along with meat and rice, giving it a distinct aroma and flavor. Moving on to Sindhi biryani from Sindh, Pakistan, known for its spicy and tangy profile. This version uses yogurt, tomatoes, and a generous helping of spices. It often includes potatoes and is typically made with beef or chicken. From Kerala in India comes the Malabar biryani. This version uses short grain rice and Kerala's distinct spices and herbs. It often features fried onions, raisins, and cashews. Lastly, Tehari biryani from Bangladesh and parts of India. Originally a vegetarian version, it's now also made with meat. Its use of turmeric and vegetables makes it unique in color and flavor. Biryani's journey didn't stop there. It has spread globally, adapting to local tastes and ingredients. You can now find it in Middle Eastern, Southeast Asian, and Western cuisines. Restaurants worldwide have created their versions, including biryani pizzas and wraps. And with modern cooking gadgets, making biryani at home has never been easier. So, what makes biryani so enduringly popular? Its complex flavors, aromatic appeal, and versatility are just a few reasons. Not to mention it's deeply embedded in cultural celebrations and festivities. Biryani's rich history, adaptability, and timeless appeal have made it a global culinary phenomenon. From royal feasts to home kitchens, it continues to tantalize taste buds around the world. Thanks for tuning in, and happy eating.